That seemed super fast.
Hello.
Anybody else?
Hi.
Hi. Hey,
Hi.
couple more people are coming
Hello.
in. All right.
Woo.
Good job hopping on and off. That's a lot. Usually the lessons are shorter and we don't have to do that as much.
Add these. I just looked at my schedule. I thought the break was for 20 minutes, so I just was doing something else, and I just came running.
Oh. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I know we're all going to get really good at telling time, knowing when to be somewhere. All right, are we ready for our very last lesson for the day?
Hopefully.
Last lesson. All right, this one, I'm going to start recording in just a second. So this one, Ms. Pecorella recorded, like I said. So we're going to be listening to Mrs. Pecorella. If we were in a normal world, she would be your social studies and science teacher, and I would be just your math teacher. But since we're doing it this way, she's still kind of planning the social studies part, and sometimes you'll be listening to her on a video for social studies. And then sometimes I'll do the lesson that she kind of gives us. Here is her lesson. I've seen it 100 times. So I'm gonna actually like still be on the meeting, but I'm gonna be on my other computer answering your parents' emails and hopefully getting some things situated. So let me remember to record and then enjoy seeing Cinderella. So here's her video. If you're not on mute, would you please mute yourself? Thank you. Okay, here she comes. Some of you had Mrs. Pecorella last year for STEM, but now she's a 4th grade teacher. Okay, so here we go.
Your camera is now working for the next Zoom meeting. We fixed it. Okay.
There's no others in this.
Oh, this is it? Okay. Just so you know.
I can't hear it.
Thank you for telling me.
Pencils and stuff like that
It's
next week as
Better?
well. All right, so
Yeah.
we're gonna start
Perfect. Thank
learning
you for telling
about
me.
the 3 regions and of North Carolina and the 5 themes of geography as well, because we'll talk about the geography of North Carolina. All right, so along those lines, we are going to do a sharing activity today to help us learn about each other in our homerooms. So after I show you what to do and an example of the activity, you will need to get one important item that either represents you or something that is special to you. And then after you have your item, you're going to need to get the worksheet from Schoology from the assignment section that's titled Flipgrid Getting to Know You Part 1. Okay, so this is in actually today's dates folder in the week 0 part.
Okay, I'm actually going to pause her for a second. So I know that it's glitchy and I know that it's hard to see. Can you hear her fluidly? Or is the
No, not
sound
really.
glitchy?
I
Not
can.
really. Okay.
This sounds really glitchy.
This sounds really glitchy. How about instead of you guys doing that, let me explain it then, okay? So let me see, give me 2 seconds, and that way we can fix the glitchy, but I can still do the lesson for you guys. So give me 3 seconds, maybe a few more than 3 seconds. Look at all this stuff. There's so much stuff. Okay. be able to go through it pretty quickly because I've already explained some of it to you guys. So it should be better. And then we'll try to figure out why the videos are all pretty glitchy. Okay. All right. So today you guys are going to be making a Flipgrid. And a Flipgrid is almost like a little, like a Facebook video, sort of, like if you're FaceTiming someone. So this is going to help us get to know our classmates. We have 5 new students in our class. And so we want to get to know not only those 5 new students, but we also want to get to know people that weren't in our class last year, people that weren't in our class the year before, so that we can build our family together and get to know each other. So this is the piece of paper that is in Schoology. It is not a long assignment. So all you have to do, if you can pull this up in Schoology, which you should be able to go to, you should be able to do if you go to the social studies lesson, you're going to fill out, it says, and if you can print it, great. If not, no big deal, because look how short it is. You're going to say, hi, my name is, and you're going to tell us what your name is. You're going to tell us your favorite things to do. Pick 3 things, your favorite things to do. You're going to tell us what town you live in, who you live with, some things you did over the summer, and then the one main part is she wants you to choose an object to share with us. And she wants you to tell us why that object is important to you. And at the bottom, you can tell us anything else you want to tell us, okay? So on Flipgrid, that's her link. I put our link on the actual assignment. So once you get in, you're going to see this green little plus sign. And it's going to ask you to record a video. So as long as you have a camera on your device, you can record a video of yourself, and you're just going to go through that worksheet. In fact, if you want to read that worksheet, you can. If you want to memorize it, you can. If you want to have it like close by, when I was doing mine, I actually taped it right beside my camera so that it looked like I was looking at the camera, but I was really reading what I wrote. So you can do it either way. It doesn't matter to me. The videos are only set for about 1.5 minutes. So it has to be a pretty quick video. Mine, I think, ended up being like 1 minute and 6 seconds or something like that. Tomorrow, your assignment is going to be to watch each other's videos. So if you're excited about it and you want to go ahead and get started, you can do the video. You can start watching some of the videos today. If you're like, oh, I want to see who's in my class and I want to see what they said on their video. So it's totally up to you. You don't need really any of this stuff. The only thing that you need is your class number, which as soon as we're done, I'm going to send you those numbers. So by the time you finish the worksheet, you're going to be able to do this. Now, the other assignment that's listed on the weekly assignment is this teacher activity and the reading activity. So you really have 3 separate things to do because these kind of go together. So you're going to go in the pink folder, and you are going to do the teacher activity, and then you're going to do the Ed Puzzle activity, and then you're going to do that social studies Flipgrid activity that we just talked about. With reading, I know some other teachers are having a little bit of trouble, but it basically looks like this. So if it doesn't work, we'll figure it out. If it does work, then that's awesome. But when you click on the link that's in Schoology, it'll come to a page like this. But and this is where the G Suite accounts come into play, because as long as you can log in, you should be able to fill this out through your G Suite. And in the directions, it just says pick a sticky note. You're going to double click in the sticky note, and it's write any question that you have. Just one question, because there are 25 of these. So if all 25 of you do it, we'll have 25 questions. So what question do you have about school? What question do you have about me? What question do you have about anything? Okay, and then over the next couple of days, we're going to talk about some of those as kind of like our morning meeting. Then if you want to explore the specials page on our homeroom page, you can explore that a little bit. And then you're done for the day. So teacher question page, Flipgrid, and the little Ed Puzzle in reading. And that's it. Any questions? I'm going to actually stop sharing. I can see more of you at the same time. I know that was a whole lot of stuff today. But you guys did great, and we survived our very first day of e-learning. Yay! Oh, and I forgot you can't see my video, so you just didn't see my little dance. Yay! Anybody have any questions? Hayes,
No.
yes, sir.
For the supplies, what is the electronics like?
Any device. So an iPad, a computer, I don't know what crazy kids have these days, but anything that you can watch Zoom on. So if you're on here today, you've got a device and you're good. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Good question. Any other questions? So 3 things today, 3 easy fun things, and then go play and relax and rest your eyes. You think we can do it again tomorrow? Tomorrow's
Yeah.
probably going to be even shorter than today because I don't have to go through all the rules and things. So it's going to be every day is going to get a little better, little better, little better. You guys are wonderful. I miss you. I wish I could hug all of you.
Miss
I'm just like-
Patterson?
I'm staring at your faces right now. Yes, who's talking to me?
Ethan? That's me.
Where are you, buddy? Yes, Ethan.
My sister goes to that Yoma Charter.
How old is she?
She's 11.
Oh, cool. Is she helping you out at all?
No, not that much.
Not really. Is she done with her work for the day or not yet?
Yes, she is done.
Wow.
She's
Awesome.
done.
We strike.
Thank you, Miss
Awesome.
DeVito.
All right, you guys ready to go get your little assignments done? If something doesn't work, don't freak out. Promise? Pinky, promise me right now. It is not a big deal. We're trying, we're learning together. Okay? All right. I love you guys. Have a great day. Let me know if you need me, okay? Bye.
Okay.